Hey guys, in this video I'm going to introduce the peel type extension because we have already made our website, so we are going to make each hair video so customer when they order the hair they can see the video and see the pictures. It's much better for them to check the quality before they purchase on the website. This one is the color 60. Color 60. See my right hand, this is the color number, and my left hand I'm holding the peel type extension for small packs. Always remember we make it each small pack is 20 small pieces like this peel tape. So normally we pack like this for small packs. Normally we pack like this, and normally customer will buy. Remember, normally customer will buy 2 small packs to add volume on their head, or 3. It depends on how much of your own hair you have. So you just see how many small packs you need to buy to add volume, like this. You can see I'm shaking the hair now. It's very full. This peel type extension is the most fullest hair that we make for our customers. It's much fuller than the bundles. This one, you see the M. Of course, we have bundles also very full like this, but you can check this. I'm comparing the (613) color, this one. So normally we pack like this one. Can you see the color difference? This is the 60. This is the 613. I'm sure you can see the difference. This one is lighter. Always remember, you can color this hair. You can add other colors based on this blonde hair. This one. I'm going to brush the hair because most of the time customer would like us to brush the hair for them. I'm always using the narrow comb, like this narrow, not the wide comb, because this one can really test out the resistance of the hair. It's very smooth and without any shedding, no tangle, no shedding. This one, very smooth. This one. So this one is a 60, this one is a 613, this one. So when you buy the peel tape extension, you need to check the fullness first and check the color and the tape. So next I'm going to introduce other colors. This is this one. Because I need to write down on the paper, so when you purchase the hair, you will see what color the hair is. Then you tell us what color you want, then we know what you are buying. This one. This is a gray color. Actually, we have different type of gray color. We have one type of gray color is even darker, but this one is ash gray. This is warm color, ash gray color. This one. We always pack like this for small packs. This one, you see, this is a gray color. So I'm going to compare this one. This is a 61, the color 61. Can you see a difference? I'm not sure you can see a difference, but let me remind you. This one is 61. 61. It's very gorgeous color. This one. A lot of white people will buy this hair to add volume on their head. The volume, the fullness, And all these peel type extension we use 100% cuticle line hair to bleach the color. You know, a lot of vendors or a lot of manufacturers, they use very cheap quality hair to make the peel type extension. The first impression is very good. The first impression, I mean, but as time goes by, always remember for the hair, as time goes by, you can really tell the real quality. This hair can last very long time. You can add more color on this hair because it's from the young ladies' hair and 100% cuticle line. This hair, it's not a cheap quality. You know, when you purchase products, people can make it very nice look, but the real one, the real thing is the essence is the material. The material, whether it is a very young hair from the ladies or not. This one. So this is the 61. Remember, I'm going to introduce the 24 color. 24. This color is 24. This one, 24 color. Maybe I will pick another brown color for you to compare the shrine. This color, I will pick. This is color 24. I will pick one. I will pick the 60. This is color 24. This is color 60. You can compare this here. You compare the colors difference. This one. We have all these peel type extension in stock. Remember, normally what length we sell most is 18 inch, 20 inch, 22 inch, and 24 inch. 18, 20, 22, 24. We sell most these inches. This one. This is color 24. 60. Color 60. This one. 60. Color 60. Okay, next I will share another type of hair is the color A613. Color A613. This, can you see? On top is color 8. Here is color 613. Okay, we pick another one for you. This one we have is also color A and color 613, but we have like this. This is a less color 8 on the root on the head. This one has more color 8, so it depends on which type you want. This one, it's very smooth. This one, it has less color 8. This one has more color 8. So you see, it's very natural smell. It's very natural. So next one I will share is the this one is color 10. Color 10, this one. This one is the warm color, and you can highlight based on this color. This one, color 10, and I will share another one with you. This is the color 8. I'm not sure if you can see the difference. Let me show you. This one is color 8. Color 10. This one is color 10. This one is color 8. Can you see a difference? Because I will hold it another. This one, color 10 and color 8. It's obviously you can see the difference. This, okay. For the next color I'm going to share is the color 6. This is the color 6. This one is a color 6. This one is color 10. You can see the difference, obviously. Color 6 and color 10. But I want to compare with the color 8. This one is the color 8 and color 6. I want to compare the color. This one I'm shaking is color 8. This one is a color 6. As I'm holding this one. Let me see. Can you see the difference? First, see the paper, the color written on the paper. This one. Yeah. So this is the color. Say it one more time. This one. Okay, next one. Next one I'm going to introduce is the color 4. Color 4. This one. This one is the color 4. Yeah. Color 4. This one is color 4. It's a lot of hair, too much volume. This one, color 4. Okay, the next one is I'm going to introduce is dark root and color 4. This one. This one is the dark root, the black on the top, and the bottom is the color 4. This one is the whole color 4. This one is the whole color 4. And this one is the black and color 4. This one. Let's see. So the next one I'm going to introduce is the pink color. Yeah, obviously. This one is the pink color. I think I made the pink color filter extension in the previous video. This one. But just want to add it to this video to make it complete. This one. Very nice. The next one I'm going to introduce is the the color 30. This one. Color 30. This one. This one, color 30. This one. But I have one color to compare. This is the color 27. This one. From the video, I'm not sure if you can see the difference. This is 30. This is 27. This is the color 27. This one. Here. Make it with this. This. Very smooth. And I want to tell you guys, always remember for the peel tape extension, we don't sell very cheap material because I know in this hair industry, a lot of manufacturers, they want to sell more, and when you sell quick, they use very cheap material to make it the price very low. But for us, peel tape extension, we are marketing it as a very high-end markets. As you can see, the volume and the color is very pure, and the material 100% cuticle line version here. We're marketing it as a high-end markets. We don't sell it cheap because the cost is there. The cost, the real cost, no, I mean our cost is very high, but our customer, they can pay the price for the real quality for this, but not the cheap material selling on other websites like AliExpress and Alibaba vendors like this. But we have our own market, this one. Okay, I will see you in the next video. We are going to introduce more and more hair and put them on our website. So when you purchase the hair on our website, you can see the video and see the pictures. So it's much better for you guys to purchase before this. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.